Excuse me, your name is?
My name is Satria.
Satria. How do I call you?
Just call me Satria.
Satria.
Yeah.
Please call me Zen.
Yeah, Mr. Zain.
Yeah, my name is Pak Zen. I think it's easy to remember because it's the last letter, Z.
Z, yeah.
Yeah, to be easier. Yeah, I think it's easier for us to remember, for you to remember, only remembering or recognizing the last letter, Z. Yeah. Zen is in Arabic, means good. Yeah, like in Al-Quran, Zuyyina linas, dihiasi manusia dengan kecintaan atau kebaikan. Zuyyina.
Love of dunya.
Pardon?
Love of dunya.
Yeah, okay. Good. And then, what does your name mean?
Actually, I don't really know.
Yeah. What's your name?
Satria.
Oh, Satria. Oh, I think it's Japanese. Satria means like knight. Kesatria. Knight.
I've told that before, but I don't know if it's really valid or not.
It's I think Japanese one. Oh, maybe it's also in Indonesian. Satria. Yeah. Satria. Something like gentle, maybe. In English, maybe gentle.
Sounds good.
But Kesatria is knight.
Yeah.
But Satria means gentle, maybe.
Gentle.
Yeah. He is very Satria. He is very gentle. Yeah, good.
Good to know that.
I have been teaching English for a long time, beginning from 1997.
Oh.
In a formal, Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 1 Yogyakarta, in the crossroads of Mirota UGM. I've been there for about been teaching there for about maybe 27 years.
27
and
years.
Always the
That's
same,
a very long time.
always the same place.
Same place, yeah.
But before, I used to teach at Oxford English course. It's an English course in Yogyakarta. It's old English course. There are many branches. Japanese in Java, especially in Jakarta, Cirebon, Solo,
In Jogja, where
Boyolali,
is it located?
Yogyakarta, Taman Siswa, and Kejayan.
Yeah.
Taman Siswa and Kejayan. And I was placed in Taman Siswa, Kejayan, also Gunung Catur. Yeah. But the house were rented. I mean that we rent. Yeah, the manager or the owner rented the houses or the places. Yeah, and it's over now. It doesn't exist anymore.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah, and I had been teaching there about 8 years maybe. 8 years, yeah. But actually I didn't only teach as my job. I work also as a staff. Yeah, administration staff, helping or doing many things. Yeah, including sometimes when the office boy didn't come, I also help to prepare tea and so on. And sometimes I also distributed the pamphlet,
Brochure,
brochure in public transport, for example, in a bus or public transport, even in some houses, perumahan, some houses. So I did many things. Yeah. It's a good and I think valuable experience. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. I did that while I was also I worked. I did that after I graduated from Academy Bahasa Asing Yogyakarta. 3 years of English study.
3 years.
Apayo. It is actually not teaching department like IKIP or like UNY teaching program now, but it's general. Yeah, that is why the graduated of Academy Bahasa Asing, some of them work as in kapal pesiar. Kapal pesiar English. Excursion, cruiser, something like that. Also as a guide.
Oh, as a guide.
Yeah, some worked as a guide, Some work in Dinas Pariwisata, yeah, as a civil servant, so for example, and some worked as a private entrepreneur, maybe, or batik entrepreneur and so on, or maybe helping the owner of batik to promote as a marketer. But what about me? I chose education, and then I continued my study, in EIN or UIN in English department, English Tarbiyah, Faculty of Tarbiyah, while I was working at the Oxford course. While so after graduating from the academy of 3 years, I worked in the English course while I was also studying in UIN or EIN in English department, as satu program atau sarjana,
bachelor's program.
And when I graduated from EIN or IIN or UIN in English department or Tarbiyah faculty, I applied for Department Agama or Kemenak as a civil servant, and Alhamdulillah I was accepted as a CPNS in 1996 or 1997. So I started. So I started. That is why now I'm retired. Too long ago.
You have so many experience.
Hard experience too. Hard experience, but very valuable.
Exactly.
Very valuable for my life.
Exactly.
Then now I'm retired. I'm enjoying my retirement at home with my wife and 2 children, and I have two sons, and both of them are married yet. So now I'm happy. And maybe next year I hope I could also go to Mecca. Now I'm collecting money or saving haji, and so saving from certification. Because teacher got certification. Besides salary, selain gaji. But now all finished. Only the salary or the some percent of the salary, because retired karena pension. By the way, you speak English very well. How do you learn? From family or from English course?
It's very interesting.
Or from online? From online.
The thing is, I grew up in outside of this country actually.
You?
I grew up in Canada.
Grew up? What do you mean grew up?
Grew up. I grew up.
In Canada.
I spent my childhood in Canada, so it's.
Could you tell me from what age until what age?
After I graduated from elementary school.
Elementary school.
So my dad just decided to okay, let's go move, let's move outside of the country to get more experience or whatever.
I see.
So I guess it sounds at that time sounded really good. So I was like, okay. I have my older brother. He was actually really excited as well. So I'm like, okay, let's see how's it gonna happen.
So it was in Canada.
And then I was born in Jakarta, and then I went
in Jakarta, and then
I went to elementary there as well. And then after I graduated from elementary school, my dad decided to move.
I see.
My family, and then we say, okay, no problem, let's go.
What do you mean by move? I mean that because your father had to study or to continue?
He actually had a small business over there.
I see. Okay.
So,
so your father is businessman, yeah?
You can say that,
Not Spider-Man. I sometimes say to ask to my student, what is your father? Businessman. Businessman or Spider-Man? For how long did your father live?
So we actually moved there. It was really quite interesting. I really liked that. I really liked how the environment over there, the multicultural environment, societies. It's really nice, and I get hang of it. And it's a very nice experience. I decided to. Well, actually, my dad moved back. My dad and my mom moved back to Indonesia when I finished my college.
Oh,
no,
I see.
actually, I finished high school.
High school, I see.
Yeah.
Very good.
So I was with my brother. My brother was already worked. He has a job there. So yeah, I depended on him actually. So yeah, I finished my college over there as well.
Yeah.
And I did a few jobs as well. Well, actually, I started working from high school because like in high school over there we have like a long vacation, like long summer holiday.
I see.
It's like almost like 2 months. Yeah, so a lot of students over there. We actually try to find a job, get some money, to buy things, and so yeah. And after that, finished college. I graduated from the high school.
What department? What major? College.
It was really interesting.
Business or language?
It's actually it's really interesting. It's a music department actually. It's a music department.
Music.
Yes.
Oh, I see.
So
okay.
I went to the music department. It's my major in guitar.
Yeah, guitar.
So I did 4 years in my college.
You were interested in that major or your father's suggestion?
No, my father is actually
Free.
No, he didn't like it. He didn't like it the first time.
That is why I ask you, because sometimes parents' desire is different from the student.
Yeah, he wanted me to actually major in engineering.
Okay.
Yes.
Understood.
Yeah, I was he was kind of disappointed, I guess, from my choice. But it was a nice discussion we have. My family is not like rigid. They are more like open actually, open-minded as well. So just a few discussion, like tell them. Yeah, I told my dad like my reasons why I choose that department, and it was really nice. Yeah.
Your parents Muslim too?
Yes.
I see. Very good.
Yeah.
You were born in Jakarta. Where was your father and mother? Born in Jakarta?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So, Jakartanis, yeah. And then, by the way, how did you join the PKBM? I mean, is it the main job, or do you have another? Do you actually have a main job and then PKBM is only for refreshing?
It's kind of long story. Long story short, it's actually I like teaching.
Teaching, okay.
Well, actually, when I went back to Indonesia, I moved back for good. I decided I could not use my degree.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
In music, so I decided to learn, Islamic education.
Yeah, I see. Okay.
Because I like teaching, so I get my degree, my bachelor's degree, from Barakah College in Jakarta. So after that, I applied for teaching jobs in Jogja because my dad and my mom here.
You see, okay.
So
good.
yeah, and actually I started from school that is not linked to Dinas Pendidikan or what do you call that, the education department or whatsoever. It's kind of like non-formal. Yeah.
Non-formal, okay.
I start from there. So and after that, I taught for like 8 years over there. And then after that, I searched for another job. And I got this in PKBM Madinah. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Where is it? PKBM Madinah.
PKBM Madinah is in
Kecamatan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much. Alhamdulillah. Barakallah. Jazakumullah.